Hello, I'm Dr. William Berger, owner and founder of Northeast Medical Practice. We are a concierge-style internal medicine, weight management, and aesthetic medicine practice located in Great Neck, New York on Long Island. And today, one of our wonderful patients is kind enough to allow us to film her neurotoxin procedure. We're going to use some Xeomin to treat some lines in the forehead, in the glabella region between the eyes, what people call frown lines, as well as crow's feet on either side of the
And
eyes.
can I ask you why you're choosing Xeomin versus Botox?
Of course. So the reason I use Xeomin is since COVID, there seems to be some cross-reactivity between the other types of neurotoxin, other brands, Botox and Dysport. And by the way, I have no financial interest in any of them. But they seem to cross-react with the antibodies that we generate toward the COVID virus itself or to the vaccines. So our antibodies to COVID sometimes bind to Botox or Dysport brand neurotoxin and causes them not to last as long. The effect doesn't last as
And
long.
how long you can anticipate the treatment to last?
So with Xeomin, we expect 3 to 4 months. Botox and Dysport used to be that long, but in my experience now, they're less. So this is the reason I go with Xeomin.
And any restrictions after the treatment?
So pre and post care, as we call it, are similar. So beforehand, just to decrease the risk of bruising, I say try not to have alcohol or use non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So these are things like ibuprofen or Advil, naproxen, which is Aleve, because those things can affect the platelets and so forth, and therefore lead to a bit more bruising from the procedure. I try to minimize the risk of that and so forth, but for the same reason, afterward, I advise people not to have those things for 24 hours. Also, no heavy lifting or heavy exercise, all just to decrease the risk for bruising.
And would you be kind enough to tell the patient how they can find us?
Of course. So again, we're Northeast Medical Practice. I'm Dr. William Berger. We're located in Great Neck, Northeast Medical Practice. The number 516-604-3418. Online at northeastmedicalpractice.com, through all our social media channels, our YouTube channel, or you can check out my podcast called Longevity MD, which is on Spotify, where I talk about all aspects of health optimization with other physicians and also give brief talks myself. Okay, so now we're going to begin the treatment itself.